So, pretty much first we're going to go through some PMCS. So if you go ahead, pull out your mask so we can go over it, make sure it's going to be working full conditions for today. That's the major thing right there, that you can see through it and that it's actually attached. Next, going to the drink tube, right here, this little doohickey right here. Pull it out of the receptacle. Right here, this is called the drink tube coupler. Make sure you have one. This is what allows you to drink with the mask on. This is what attaches to the M1 black cap on your canteen. You see you have 2 of them, so we're going to make sure to inspect both of them. First things first, in order to take them off, you're going to see on the filter itself, on the side, especially here in North Carolina, it gets humid, these filters don't last particularly long. So, just keep that in mind. After you put the filter back on, give it a light pull to make sure it's actually seated on there properly. Once again, especially with new masks, sometimes you'll twist it on there and it'll feel good, and as soon as you bump into something, it'll fall off because it's not actually seated on there. So,
a lot of Marines know this as a black charcoal powder. Works it the same way. Tap it on your skin, rub it in, soaks it up. Everybody tracking on those? Sure.
Giant dude. You make
Contact right! Contact right! Contact right! Contact right! Suppress the enemy! I don't think so. No, I'm just saying. Hey, is anybody shooting? Suppressive fire! Hey, get up! Keep pushing forward! Any second now. Go forward!
They're about to get lit up.
contact right!
Keep fire! Keep moving forward!
So that counts, Tom.
Fire! Get it! Get it! Get the fire! Cease fire! Cease fire! Go forward! Where's the extinguisher at?
Took it off, took one breath, and I was about to, I felt like I was going to throw up. I was definitely still in the thick of it.
Chest up!